So onwards with the analytics. I've had to skip the two sections here, estimated earnings and ad performance. I can talk about them, but the earnings rules say I can't show you what the breakdown is of earnings in terms of individual pages on a website, or indeed in terms of individual earnings on a video. Sorry about that, not allowed to show you that. You've seen some of the stuff anyway, and you'll see a little bit more, but I can't show you the individual breakdowns of the percentages and so on. They don't allow that. And that's an AdSense rule. Sorry about that, but quite straightforward. Just remember that your earnings are estimated and they can be updated a day or two later. I tend to find that I get about 5 to 10% extra at the end of the month once they've calculated everything up, just when they're ready to announce the final figures for the month, so that's good. But it can be 1 or 2 days behind is normal, and it has been up to 5 days on occasions where they've made changes and so on to YouTube.